Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Christian Vieri from the University of Merdeka Malang. Today, I'm going to talk about a quick, simple, and delicious meal, how to make sandwich. Please save your question until the end of my presentation. Structuring. In this presentation, I will explain three key parts. Firstly, the basic ingredients needed to make a sandwich. Secondly, the step to assemble a tasty and balanced sandwich. Lastly, optional addition and tips to make your sandwich more exciting and nutritious. Sandwiches are popular all over the world because they are easy to prepare, customizable, and can be eaten any time of day. Making a sandwich may seem simple, but creating a delicious and balanced one takes a bit of care. Basic ingredients how to make a sandwich. First one is bread. White, whole wheat, multigrain, or toast, it's your choice. Spread butter, mayonnaise, mustard, or hummus for moisture and flavor. Third, main filling. This can be meat like ham or chicken, cheese, or plant-based protein. Four is vegetable like lettuce, tomato, cucumber, onion, or for crunch and nutrition. Last one is seasoning, like salt, pepper, or herbs to enhance flavor. Step to make a sandwich. First, prepare ingredients. Wash vegetable, slice meat, or cheese if needed. And toast the bread. It's optional. Make the sandwich crispier and more flavorful. Three is spread your base on the bread. Apply butter, mayo, or other spread on the bread. Or four is layer the filling. Start with protein, then veggies, then cheese if desired. Number five is add seasoning. Sprinkle salt, pepper, or herbs to taste. Number six is close and cut. Place the top slice, press gently, and cut into half or 3 inches. Extra tips and addition. Number one is add sauce. Try barbecue, sriracha, or pesto for extra flavor. Number two is include more veggies. Add bell peppers, avocado, or pickles. Number three, use healthy bread, whole grain, or low calorie option for better nutrition. Number four, make it warm. Use a sandwich press or a grill for a hot and melty result. Balanced nutrition. Make sure to include protein, fiber, and healthy fats. First, we look at the basic ingredients needed to build a sandwich. Second, we went through step-by-step instruction to assemble it properly. Third, we explored optional extra to enhance taste and health benefits. Making sandwich is not only easy and fun, but also a great way to be creative while eating something nutritious and satisfying. That brings me to the end of my presentation. Thank you so much for your kind attention and finding question. Now, if you have any question, I'd be happy to answer them. Thank you.